Hi, Jay. Alex Marevka here with Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in the 2015 Hyundai Tucson. We have the exact gray color you were looking for right here, as well as several other Tucsons. These are the last of the 2015 models, so now is the time to purchase one of these vehicles and get a great deal. And along with this vehicle, you get America's best warranty. 5 year, 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty. 5 years unlimited miles of roadside assistance. We double the manufacturer powertrain warranty and give you 20 years or 200,000 miles of powertrain coverage on every vehicle on our lot. So give me a call, we'll set up a test drive. If this isn't the vehicle for you, we have it here at Tameron Hyundai. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Again, it's Alex Marevka here at Tameron Hyundai, 205-380-6250. Thank you, Jay. Look forward to speaking with you soon.